This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best chicken noodle soup. First, begin with a high-quality broth. Combine chicken bones, carrots, celery, and onions in a large pot. Cover with water and simmer gently for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld. This slow cooking process extracts maximum richness, forming the essential foundation for your delicious soup. Remember, a great soup starts with a great base. Next, let's incorporate the main ingredients. Shred about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either breast or thighs, for tender, flavorful pieces. In a separate pan, sauté 1 cup each of diced carrots and celery until they are tender crisp, retaining some bite. Then, add about 1/2 cup of chopped onion and cook until it becomes translucent, releasing its sweet aroma. These fresh vegetables add essential texture and nutrients. Now, for the noodles and seasoning. Cook about 4 ounces of your favorite egg noodles separately according to package directions. This prevents them from absorbing too much broth and becoming mushy. Season your simmering broth with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Finally, stir in fresh parsley and a pinch of dried thyme for that classic, comforting aroma. To finish, gently combine the cooked noodles, shredded chicken, and sautéed vegetables into your hot, seasoned broth. Heat everything together for about 5 minutes, just long enough to ensure all the ingredients are warmed through and the flavors have fully married. Serve immediately, garnished with extra fresh parsley if desired, for a truly comforting meal. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.